Alright, I am going to try to mount this turbo, which is very cute, onto my Kubota. So, probably not going to video a lot because I'm by myself as usual, but I'll update you every now and again. I am going to take the exhaust off, the shield off right now, probably the bed, or at least unconnect it here and tilt it farther so I have more room, and then I'm going to try to mount it up there. So hopefully my research should be, it should bolt right up to that manifold already. So I'll update you when that happens. Alright, finally got it bolted. That took, I don't know, a while, hour or so. It didn't quite bolt straight up to that. It's off just a teeny bit. You can actually see it at this angle, that it's just a teeny bit wider. So I made an adapter, crudely, kinda. But it's mounted. It's not fully tight because, you know, I have to take it on and off. But now I could route where my feed and my drain lines are going, and then my intake and whatnot. So yeah, it's moving along pretty good, but that was kind of tricky. Be nicer if I had a Plaz, but I don't want to go all the way to work because we don't have a Plaz here at the farm. So, but yeah, coming along. All right, this is about the spot where it starts to get a little janky, but not really. Shut up, Earl. So this hose is actually rated for stuff, but like, come on, focus. Yeah. Because they didn't send me fittings, the right fittings for... So the line kit that I got is for like cars and stuff, you know, so it's not like exactly for like this application. That part's going to work, but the drain part, I'm going to have to finagle a little bit. But it isn't under pressure, people say, so this should work. Shove it in there, hose clamp the piss out of it. Should work, right? I don't fucking know. I'll cut this down a little bit to like this one, so it has a bigger hole in it. But yeah. Alright, I have pretty much everything real important dry fitted. Now, time to drill and tap the oil pan. No turning back now, really. I mean, all that's pretty easily undone, so hopefully this goes well. I'll update you in a couple seconds. Alright, this is the next day. As you see, it is not in very good shape. Everything's covered in oil because it's shooting oil out the exhaust and the intake. So the seals on my new turbo that I got are bad. So I am going to take this all off, straight pipe it, send the turbo back for an exchange, and just straight pipe it for now so I can use my buggy. Because it's very handy to have, and I like it better than the four-wheeler. So just going to straight pipe it. It's going to be loud, but it'll be fine till that gets back. I need to clean all this oil. Yeah, kind of disappointing, but everything else worked really good. Got the oil, you can't see nothing. Oil drain down there, right? right, where's my finger? Right there. That's all set. Oil feed's working properly, obviously, because everything's covered in oil, so definitely getting plenty of oil. Yeah, that's the update on that. Alright, here I am. Gonna take apart this new turbo that I got because Amazon is useless and I'm tired of dealing with them. So, I'm take it apart, see what I can see wrong with it, because it's shooting oil out the exhaust and shoving it into the intake of the engine. So I don't know if the oil feed line is creating too much pressure, because there's the hole right there, if it would focus. So I don't know if that's creating too much pressure into the turbo and this Chinese war whistle can't take it, or what the problem is. But I'm gonna take it apart real quick and see what I can see, because yeah, because everything was tight, like there's no play up and down or really in and out, so I don't know. I wouldn't think anything's bad, and they do test them before they send them out, but I don't know. This is where I'm at. Alright, let's try this again. Round like 3 or something. I don't know. Lost count, but hopefully it doesn't spray oil all over the place.